Welcome to the Watercress line on this auspicious day, the return to service of this magnificent locomotive 35005 Canadian Pacific.
The locomotive was named to recognize the Canadian Pacific Shipping Line and Merchant Navy, which were crucial in keeping Britain supplied, and honored the sacrifices made by the many brave crews lost to German U-boat attacks. By the end of the war, the Canadian Pacific Line had lost every one of the ships they had in 1939. Sometimes the past is not meant to be left behind. Sometimes it's meant to be carried forward, rekindled, and shared with new generations.
We protect heritage to hand it on to future generations, and this couldn't be a better example of that.
She lives again. So as we watch her steam pulse into the sky and hear the unmistakable echo of her whistle, let us not simply see a train restored. We see a promise fulfilled, a love story renewed, and a journey that will never truly end.
Restored for the future, for everyone to enjoy.
Thank you so much, and thank you from Canada.